Let's try to cover CSIR Dev Bio important questions. Here you can see first question. During development, if a cell has committed to a particular fate, it is said to be. The options are pluripotent, totipotent, and determined or differentiated. When we try to understand what the question is asking here the question is saying that if a cell is committed for something, okay, it could be the cell could be a muscle cell or epithelial cell or heart cell, it could be anything, and it won't be able to change at all. So it is completely committing for this fate, okay. But the question is asking, tell me which one is the particular committed cells in these all four options. The pluripotent cells, when we try to understand about it, here what will happen, the cell should need to form organism, whole organism, human organism should need to form with the help of pluripotent condition. So we can say this cell may can change a lot so that the whole organism gonna be formed here in this condition. So there are so many changes are happening, so this is not our option. And when we try to understand about the totipotency, means totipotent, in this condition also same thing is happening, but compared to the pluripotent it has different way of the changing, means less amount of the changes we can see in this condition, okay. But so this is also not our answer. And fourth option, here you can see differentiated. What does mean by differentiated? For example, I am having a stem cell, and this stem cell will determine and make some sort of skin cell, epithelial, muscle cell, it could be neuron, anything, okay. So this is doing the differentiated. Later it will again do de-differentiated condition. Later it will go into the redifferentiation condition. So from one cell to it will go turning into this cell, then again it will turn into the another cell. So in this condition also we can say there are many changes, not committing to any fate. It is completely changing again and again. So our answer is nothing but determined. And you can answer this second question. The second question is nothing but, you can see here, sperm, which helps in the penetration of the egg during fertilization in mammals, contains, okay, the